Whenever we have a patient that's going to be passing away in the ICU, we have these little grief carts that we will set up outside of the patient's room to offer some support to the family. My coworker and friend Gia, who actually helped me go over the content for my ICU crash course, created these carts, and so I thought I'd talk about a couple of the components. And so maybe if you don't do this at your hospital, it might be a good thing to start. Whenever we have a patient that's going on comfort care, or we're going to be withdrawing care, terminally extubating, compassionately extubating the patient, basically we are anticipating that this patient may pass away, we put this little cart outside the room and we order some snacks from the cafeteria to put on top of the cart. So they'll have like chips and cookies, muffins, bagels, fruit, water, juices, sodas, etc. It's a nice way to like offer the family something so that way they don't have to leave the room to go get food. We also include like this little poem, and sometimes we'll all sign a card for the family. There's also a little grief packet in there for the families to go over resources for like funeral homes, grieving resources, how to obtain a death certificate. Sometimes we'll give the families a little strip of the patient's heartbeat. A couple other little things that we do for this cart as well, but Gia has put all this together and she is one of the most amazing people and ICU nurses. So I thought I would share in case you would find this to be helpful for your hospital.